Hello everyone and welcome to Lockdown Learner. Today's topic is type def in C. Okay guys, earlier we have studied about first of all we have to see is type def is a user defined data type. We have seen two user defined data type also earlier, like is a structure, and we have seen is union, and now we are doing is type def. Okay guys, structure we know, like suppose we have to store like data of data. Structure is used for data of like student. We cannot store whole data and student data in array, so we use structure. And union is uh, to use space efficiently, use space efficiently. Okay guys, and now is our type def. Now let us talk about type def. Type def is an alias name given to, you can say, is like data type or like primitive data type. You can given to like primitive data type, and like you can give is also user defined data type also, and you can give this alias name to derived data type also. Derived data type is a array and all, and you can give is derived data type and complex data type. Okay guys, let us talk about like what is PD. PD is our like primitive data type, and under this it int comes, and like etc like int array. And user defined data type is like, you can say, structure. I'm telling only one example for each, so you have to understand. Derived data type is like array. Okay guys, complex data type you can say is pointer. अब आपको ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा. Okay, now let us talk about type def only now. What is the definition of type def? It is like, it is keyword it is keyword through which we can give alias name. I will also tell you like what is alias name, or like you can give it like duplicate name. सपोज काफ़ी बार क्या होता है कि हम लाइक इस लाइन को करके देखते हैं. इट इज़ अ कीवर्ड थ्रू विच वी कैन गिव एलियास नेम और डुप्लीकेट नेम. इट्स लाइक सपोज किसी का नाम लाइक मनविंदर है, एंड लाइक ऐसे कुछ है, एंड वी गिव लाइक अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म, लाइक वी कॉल हिम सपोज मोनू. Okay, because Manvinder is very long, so we called in short form, that is Monu. We gave Manvinder as a Monu name. So as like we can use in like different kind of like structures. Alias name, now you are able to understand like duplicate name. Like some guys have some like people have two names, like in home they call like Monu, and like someone else like that kind of thing. Let us see the syntax. Syntax is like, you have to write type def first, and then you have to write is like data type, and then you have to write is like alias name. Okay, this is the syntax for like type def. Let us consider an example of like you have to write alias name for integer, like primitive data type first. Type def int a. Now what does this mean and what does this mean? Okay guys, I'm going to explain like what does, if I type def int a, and what does this mean. This is our variable. This is a variable. Okay, when you write like type def, then it becomes an alias name, duplicate identity. This is original id and this is its duplicate id. Like if you define this in first line of the program, and suppose you are defining like integer variable, so you will define in this like int only. You can define here is like int, in place of int you can write num. According to type def it is alias name. int का जो alias name है वो a है. int की जगह जो हम पूरे प्रोग्राम में यूज़ कर सकते हैं वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं a. तो a हमारा क्या करेगा, एज अ int ही हमारा काम करेगा. a विल वर्क एज सेम एज int. जो int हमारा काम करेगा, क्योंकि हमने टाइप डेफ में डिफाइन कर दिया int a, और सिंपल int a हमने डिफाइन करा तो वेरिएबल हो गया. इफ यू डोंट राइट दिस देन इट इज़ द नॉर्मल वेरिएबल. व्हेन वी राइट दिस इट विल बिकम अ alias name. When we don't write type def, it is an alias name. When we don't write type def, it is a simple variable, and when we write the type def, it became an alias name. Now let us do a program, then it is like better to explain to you. You can compare with that program. I am doing a program in which we are suppose in which we are taking like doing a plus b. Okay, I'm doing in a two ways to explain type def. It's like int main type def int is like I. Okay, now I have to add like two numbers. So what I will do, I will define like two numbers, int I equals to a comma b comma c. And like in normal program what I will do is like int main, and what I will do is like int a comma b comma c. Okay, now this I, now you are seeing here this I is working same as int, and in normal program you are using int, and like you have to use like c equals to a plus b, and then you can normal like printf, use printf %d, and like you can do c, and here also like c equals to a plus b, and like you can like directly printf and all statement. Okay guys, you're clear with it, clear with this till here? Now let us take one another example, like main example like of string and all. Okay, let us take example of like cross data types, like complex data type, sorry, complex data type. In case of complex data type, you know that I explained that complex data type is like pointer part. Okay guys, pointer is a complex data type. Let us take an example, like in two ways we will take example again. Suppose I am taking like a string void main, and then I'm like defining a string is char star name, and like I'm defining here like input name. A function is here, it's like input name, and I'm doing like input name. It is void function, nothing is inside there. What I'm doing, I'm defining another like char star name. I can take name here also because the scope of that name ends it here, and then I'm taking like char name here, so I'm like I'm doing get name, and then like I'm returning that name, return name. If I'm returning the name, so here should be like data type which I'm returning char star, okay, and here should be like the data type getting the name, and here I'm writing is printf percent like s, and like you can like name. Okay guys, this is simple program without type def. Okay, now I'm taking like type def as like you can define type def as a globally also and like as a locally also for a function also. For this I'm defining like here like type def. I'm changing this char star part. Okay, char star as we can define is string. Okay guys, this is alias name given to char star. Where we are writing char star, we can use string at there also. Like we are doing program here also, void main, you can write like string. String will work same as a char star because we have defined in type def above string name, and you can directly write like name equals to input name. You are not sending anything. Okay guys, like you have to do printf here, printf name. Okay, and like here also you can use string because you have defined globally string input name as a function name. ओके गाइस, अब आपने देखा कि कैर स्टार की जगह जो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे कैर स्टार था उसकी जगह हम क्या यूज़ करें ना, वी आर यूजिंग स्ट्रिंग. यू हैव टू स्ट्रिंग यूज स्ट्रिंग ऑल्सो हेयर लाइक स्ट्रिंग नेम, वी आर लाइक गेट्स name, and then we have to like return name. Okay guys, now you are able to understand like we were using like char star again and again, like here. So better to like readability, we use this thing for readability. Okay guys, readability, like char star we are converting it into string, and then we are writing like string. You can see like change here like string and like string, and like here also string where we are using char star. Okay guys, this is for complex data type. Now we will be doing this thing for like user defined data type. User defined data type is struct. Okay guys, we will doing that thing in second part of the video. Thank you guys.